Hello everyone, in this video, let's explore together some phrasal verbs related to clothing. I hope you will enjoy this video and improve your English skills. Clothing phrasal verbs with meaning and examples. Do up. Fasten an item of clothing. You don't need to do up the top button. Dress up. Dress, oneself or another, in your best clothes. You don't need to dress up. It's just a family get-together. Dress up. Put on fancy dress in children's games. For her birthday party, they had dressed her up as a fairy. Dress down. Wear clothes that are more informal than those you usually wear. He dressed down on his first date. Hang out. Dry clothes outside after washing. Have you hung the washing out? Hang up. Put something on a hook or a hanger. The women hung up their coats and sat down. Have on. Wear an item of clothing on one's person. Melissa had her new dress on. Kick off. Make your shoes come off by shaking your feet. He kicked his shoes off as soon as he got home. Put on. Dress yourself or someone else with an item or items of clothing. She put on her coat and went out. Slip on. Put on an item of clothing easily. She slipped her sandals on before she went into the sea. Take off. Remove any item of clothing. Anna took off her sandals. Take in. Make clothing narrower. I'll have to take this dress in at the waist, it's too big. Take up. Reduce the length of a piece of clothing. I want to take this pair of pants up. It's too long. Try on. Put on an item of clothing to find out whether it fits or is suitable. What a lovely dress. Why don't you try it on? Throw on. Put on a piece of clothing quickly and carelessly. She just threw on the first skirt she found. Turn up. Shorten trousers, a dress, or a skirt so that they fit better. Her jeans were too long, so she turned them up. Wrap up. Put warm clothes on. I could hear my mother telling me to wrap up warm. Zip up. To be closed by means of a zip. He zipped up his leather jacket. Let out. Make clothing wider. I'm going to have this skirt let out. Let down. Use the extra cloth in the hem of a piece of clothing to make it longer. This skirt needs letting down.